Another thing is you shouldn't wear mascara on your artificial lashes. However, if you must, wear water-based mascara, not waterproof, because water-based mascaras are easier to come off. And I'm a culprit, I'm a lash technician, and I'm confessing that sometimes I put a bit of mascara on my lashes, and I have done that in this video. So I'm going to show you how I take off my makeup and how I wash and brush my lashes before I go to bed. So the first step is going to be for me to take off my contact lenses from Beauty Bottega. So if you like this or any contact lenses, you should come to us. Please make sure you wash your hands before taking off your contact lenses. Then the next step is for me to get baby wipes. So I don't have eyeliner, but if I had eyeliner, I would show you how I'll take that off, because people always ask me how to take off eyeliner. So just pull your lid down and then fold the just make like a little tip with the wipes and then go in gently. So you keep doing that until you get off all the eyeliners. And then if you also had eyeliner in your waterline, you also just pull. And let's say you have bottom lashes like me, because I do have a bit of bottom lashes, I don't want them to fall off. So I just pull my lower lid down and gently wipe. Remember to stretch properly and then fold the wipes. Just make like a tip with your finger. Then the next step will be to totally wipe off all the makeup. After I've used the wipes to get off the makeup to a considerable amount, then the next step will be to wash the lashes actually. So I'll just show you how I wash the lashes before I wash my face. So this is a solution that we make at Beauty Bottega. So if you want any of it, then you have to buy from us. So I'll just get a little in my fingers, and then I'll just run my fingers through the lashes. Pump a bit more of the solution and then run it through in gentle motions from the root to the tips, After I've done that, do one eye per time. I'll just rinse with water. Then I'll proceed to the next eye. So remember, what you're doing is running your fingers through the lashes from the root to the tips with your solution. And then you proceed to rinse. So now that that is done, you can now go ahead and wash your face. So after washing your face and drying, you just wait for your lashes to dry a bit and then take a brush like this and just brush in and out, in and out. And that's it, and you can go to bed. For those who don't want to wear their lashes to the full cycle, or who don't want to get infills, it's always best to get a professional removal done. Don't try to pull off your lashes by yourself. Don't ever do it. It makes you just have bald patches. You know, some people try to use oils and all that. When the oils get into your eyes, they can cause redness. So it's best to come in for a professional removal. Thank you, ladies, for watching me chat about everything lashes. If you liked what you saw, please like and thumbs up. Please don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Beauty Bottega. Also check out our website, www.beautybottega.com. You can also make your bookings from there. Remember, I would like to hear from you. I would like to know what you want me to talk about next time. So please leave your comments. Please encourage me. Thank you.